Hey, Adam here with Wonder Guides. If you're traveling through central North Carolina, make sure to swing by downtown Sanford for one of our Wonder Picks. This is Raven Forge Games. This isn't just a store. It's more like that friend's house where game night accidentally turns into an all-evening event. Walk in and you'll see shelves lined with Magic, Pokemon, tabletop strategy games, minis, dice, basically everything you need to roll, tap, trade, or conquer. Pull up a chair and you'll probably find a Dungeons & Dragons campaign in full swing, a heated card match going down, or a board game that looks innocent until someone flips the table. Kidding. Mostly. What makes Raven Forge special is the vibe. It's welcoming, it's relaxed, and whether you're a seasoned dungeon master or still figuring out what a meeple is, you're good here. It's less retail experience and more, hey, jump in and play. So next time you're in Lee County, bring a friend and roll the dice at Raven Forge Games. Then browse a full list of local shops, restaurants, and attractions at downtownsanford.com or visit wonderguides.com.